Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in Sidra online banking account. Sidra Bank uses blockchain technology to provide banking services that comply with Sharia principles. Now, to log in, firstly make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search www.mindsidra.com and press enter. You will be now directly led to this home page. And here you can see the option login with KIC port. You need to click over there. Now here you need to enter your credentials. Before entering, make sure you have your account. In case if you don't have your account, here you can see the option register. You can click over there and they will be guiding you further to register for your Sidra bank. Now here, all you need to do is enter your credential, that is your email and your password. Now in case if you have forgotten your password, here you can see the option forgot password. You can click over there and they will be guiding you further to recover it. Also you can see alternative method to log in, which is using your Google account or your email. Now after your credentials are ready, you can simply click on login and you will be successfully logged into your Sidra bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.